Who's ready for more snow? That's what we got coming our way. Take a look at my latest snowfall map here off to the north. Now, I'm going to tell you one thing. This is a mess of a storm system. We're going to have rain, storms, freezing rain, snow coming down. So we will have different kinds of precip at different times. And of course, I'll walk you through that here in just a moment. But notice the highest amounts are in the higher elevations of the western UP, off to the north and west, the Huron Mountains, off into the Keweenaw Peninsula. Most of those folks will be in the 6 to 9 inch range, with a small possibility some folks might be just over that 9-inch range. I'll keep an eye on it for you, and then lesser amounts to the south. But hey, maybe even Kalamazoo picking up 1, maybe 2 inches of wet, heavy snow. And again, this is all wet, heavy snow. Here's a look at the watches and warnings we have in place. We have the purple indicating a winter weather advisory for a couple inches of heavy, wet snow, a little bit of freezing rain, glaze as well. The pink is a winter storm warning. That includes most of the western upper peninsula, also up into the tip of the Keweenaw as well. And these are going to go all the way through the day Friday before we finally start to see things wrap up. So here's how things look around Thursday, 9 o'clock. We're going to start to have some wet weather move up from the south into Kalamazoo, maybe Grand Rapids, but of course that depends on exactly where those storms are firing off and setting up. But the freezing rain likely to start, this is at midnight, overnight into your early Friday. So freezing rain likely to start around midnight. And notice that could switch forms quite often across the upper UP. We're going to have just so many different layers with different temperatures in it that we'll go toward 7 o'clock in the morning right here. That's when you see freezing rain, rain. Now that peach color in the middle by Marquette, that's indicating some sleet, and then the heavier snow coming down across the Keweenaw, parts of the western UP. While on the lower peninsula, we have showers, even a few thunderstorms moving on by. This is getting toward noon right here into your Friday, transitioning over to some heavy snow for the central UP. But again, if we hold on to freezing rain a little bit longer, which we could, that would cut down on some of those snowfall totals, while the western UP looks pretty good to be getting all snow all the time. But southern Michigan, now we're starting to wrap in the cooler air and get some bursts of snow coming on through of our own. Now, temperatures will be falling throughout Friday evening as well. So even if we start as heavy wet snow, we really could see some of those roads ice up as temperatures fall. This is 10 p.m. into your Friday. Still have some lingering moisture, and that starts to wrap up as we go overnight into Saturday. But even into Saturday here, we are going to have on and off snow showers still. So some of us are going to be nickel and diming those snowfall totals.